Hello YouTubers. Well, I went and looked at the new Stihl chain saws, and I looked at that 500i, and I looked at this MS362C Pro saw, and yes, I looked at the difference in price, $450 or so, but I'm old school, and I just think this 362 fits my way of thinking better, something I can work on. Fuel injection is nice, 500i is nice for sure, but this is no slouch, and this was my choice, and I'll do some videos of it working here shortly. Thanks everyone for watching my channel. Like and subscribe please, and I appreciate everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.